Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rudu's YouTube channel Wanderam 2.0. I started from Bangalore a day before my expedition and, as usual, chose my favorite Vistara Airlines from Terminal 2. So I'm traveling with Vistara Airlines today, and it's 12 o'clock right now, and I'll be reaching there by 3 o'clock if everything is fine. I'm so hungry and just waiting that the yummiest food provided by Vistara every day. Let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. I have reached Dehradun, and as usual, I have booked the same Uncle G which I have booked last time. I've called him, he immediately came to pick me up, and we are at Dehradun Airport. Uncle has been really helpful from the time I have come to Gom of Tapovan. Uncle, to welcome me, may have made this welcome. May I feel like I'm the VIP here. See, good to have people like this. Save numbers and make calls to people. What a good gesture. Uncle is treating me with chai now. We are going to have super duper chai in Dehradun. I had to book my stay for today on my own as actual itineraries start from tomorrow. To Dehradun alone, and so every time I travel I basically go to the camps or the stays provided by the particular travel agencies, but this time so I had to travel a day before because the next day morning at 5-6 o'clock they'll be picking me up, and it's very hard for me to travel from Bangalore at that time and reaching to the destined location so that they'll pick me up. So I had traveled on 24th of May, and I was just checking online that if I can find some good stays. And the moment I saw this location in the Airbnb, I personally loved it because of the garden and the balcony they have showed in the view. I have booked this property from Airbnb. The colony is so nice. Looks like these are all independent homes, and so this is where I am staying tonight. I personally choose this property for this balcony. This garden is the best. At the entrance they have a beautiful stream, and it is a private property. The way they have decorated with so many colorful plants, it's just an ideal home for everyone. They have this beautiful balcony. See, I'm a plant lover. Look at it. Every nook and corner, they have this plants. And that's the room I'll be staying for tonight. Let's just go and explore my place for today. And what I like the most is I got a mini balcony where two people can sit and watch the sunrise. They put this beautiful hoardings here, so you have to consider it as your home. And as soon as you enter, you have this kitchen, and this is the room. They have a table with a workstation, they have TV, bed, and they have refrigerator and a wardrobe as well. Apart from room upstairs, they also have one room. So this is basically for the people who love to stay in a natural place. This is one more room, and that's the attached bathroom. You can even access their veranda and their garden and the spring especially.
Music of your heart, I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, oh, when I look deep into your eyes.
Guys, I've reached Dehradun and today is the day which I've been thinking every single day and night, and I've been working hard for. And from tomorrow, my journey towards Black Peak is gonna start. From past a week, I was bit started getting anxiety issues because I know what I'm gonna do for the next 15 days, and I'll not have network absolutely. And I thought nobody have understood the toughness and the criticality of this expedition, but I have posted a story in my Instagram, and it was I don't know, I've become quite emotional that how my friends or family members have reacted towards it, and it was, I know it means a lot to me. And yeah, so basically I have decided to do this expedition last year when I was doing Gamuk Tapovan trekking. One of the trek lead have just completed his Black Peak expedition and is immediately has joined us for the Gamuk Tapovan trekking. At that time he was, I've asked him if I could do that, then he told no, you're quite unfit for that because you're unable to carry your day pack itself. And so when it comes to Black Peak expedition, you have to carry your all the luggage by yourself, and it is quite challenging. It is not a trekking and it is an expedition, one of the highest peaks in India. So then I had given up, but lately I thought, why should I not do it? And I have started working out in the gym from last 4 months, and now I'm able to carry my bags for quite certain time. Let's see how I'm gonna do. So I have booked though, but I was a bit skeptical key that I am traveling alone. Will the stay be safe? And will I not be bored? Or what will I do entire day? So all these questions were coming up in my mind, and that's what being a lone traveler, you have to inquire so much. Then I got to know the property is belongs to one of the colonel ex-army officer, and that's when I got the guts that yes, this property is for me, for the person like me who travels solo and the female. And especially Himani ma'am and Anil sir are so welcoming, and they have taken care of me as if I'm their own daughter. And I even had snacks with them. I had food with them. We have spoken for hours and hours, and they have shared their experiences with me, and I had shared my experiences. I am proud of them, and I'm proud to stay at the ex-army officer's stay, and they are proud to get to know about me, the way I travel, and the way I'm trying to attend the one of the India's biggest expeditions.
Ramaya, I'm retired from army.
Mm-hmm.
I retired as a colonel, and I have done my 39 years of service in army, and finally got retired in 2018 December. Actually, after retirement, I picked up hobby of cycling.
Oh.
And then after cycling, once I went in the cycling group, I was so much of engrossed in the cycling. Probably without cycling, I cannot do it. I can leave my food, but I cannot leave the cycling.
Okay. How many kilometers you can do in a day?
Normally, we do 50 plus. Normally, otherwise, there's a challenge going on. So today is my 44th day. I'm continuously doing 100 kilometers, 100 plus, 100, 125. I do that.
My God. And so, what is the longest cycling you have done so till now?
Longest I have done from Dehradun to Leh and back to back to Dehradun.
Mm-hmm.
This was the longest I did it. Otherwise, I did Kedarnath also. I went to Nepal also.
My God. On
And-
cycle?
From cycle only.
Oh.
And, but I went up to Nepal and came by to bus transport.
Okay.
This one way. Otherwise, Leh, we went from here to Leh Ladakh.
Mm-hmm.
Did Khardula was the my aim, and I did that successfully. I completed
Mm-hmm.
and came back in cycle only.
Mm.
For that, I got the world record holder also.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is the world record award Anil sir have got? And ma'am, you also do cycling?
Yes, I do.
Both of them go together every day, and ma'am does 50 kilometers of cycling and sir does 100 kilometers. Seem
Yes, I was there in Kargil Ward, and
Mhm.
from beginning to end, I was there very much. I was in defense,
Mhm.
and I was posted there only,
like? Mhm.
and I can say that I fought the Kargil.
Oh my God, sir. That is how you used to feel, ma'am, when sir is in Kargil wall.
यानी सोच के भी डर लगता है.
हाँ ना, उस टाइम पे कम्युनिकेशन भी नहीं होता था.
Communication नहीं था, मोबाइल फोन नहीं थे.
हम्म.
कुछ पता नहीं था कि ये लोग कैसे हैं.
हम्म.
वन तो टोटली बिल्कुल कुछ ही बात मालूम था कि ये लोग कहाँ हैं किसी भी.
Hmm.
आपको कैसे लगता था उस टाइम पे? फैमिली को मिस करते थे?
Definitely, everybody this is a human nature. Whenever you always used to miss, and of course during the war, Kargil war, we were busy in the war. That's why I never thought of home side. But of course, there was no communication, and because of that, we were dependent on letters, and communication medium
Letters
was
उस
the
time नहीं
letters.
आते.
हाँ, बहुत लेट होता था ना.
But okay. Down together. I really enjoyed talking to you and interacting with you.
Yeah.
And you give us a lot of input from your side,
Mhm.
and you have a very good hobbies. You said you are footballer. I am also footballer.
Oh, I am asking a personal question. You still look young, but how old are you, sir? You're so fit.
I am now 65 right now,
Uh-huh.
and otherwise I am what is called physically being an army person. So I am maintaining my routine.
Mhm.
I don't know. It is the mind.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
doesn't make it different.
Mhm.
This is the normally everybody says, and actually, if you start because why? Because coming into the cycling,
Mhm.
we have got a. I'll tell the friend. They are even 10-12 years of boys and girls,
Mhm.
and we are senior citizens.
Mhm.
We stay together. We behave like a child. They behave like a uncle. That is how we mix up.
Uh-huh.
That's why I don't feel that I am an old man.
You are not an old man, sir. If we see you, we should even cross check our races, sir's गाड़ी
I got it.
और man. This geared one, is it, sir?
One by 10 years.
Mhm.
Two by 9 years.
Okay.
It's the time to stop Day Zero video. I am calling it as Day Zero because it is not part of Black Peak Expedition itinerary. And let's meet again in my next video of actual expedition journey. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.